protesting infringements on freedom of religion, a lot of our rights that have just been compromised by the stay-at-home order.
That the government doesn't really understand what is an essential job. Every job that, puts food on the table is an essential job. Okay, let's go. All right, I'll head down there. Okay.
There are a lot of protests out there, and I just think that some of the governors have gotten carried away. I really believe somebody sitting in their boat in a lake should be okay. They shouldn't arrest people. Some of them are being unreasonable. I really believe that.
What's up, gentlemen?